What's up there, YouTube fans? Welcome to another video on Your Tech. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Osmo Mobile 3 combo. So let's go. So this is the very first Cosmo that I got, and by the way, this is the Osmo. Why do I keep saying Cosmo? Cosmo and Vector, the robots. Yeah, this is Osmo, O-S-M-O, and this is the Mobile 3 combo. Now, as you guys can see, it's like a tripod where you can hold for your like vlogging or something like that. It's also very light. And you can see that it holds a phone, and I actually have the phone right here and going to be testing it out. And there's not really much to show you. I'll give you a closer look of the box. Alright, here is the Osmo box. As you guys can see here, this is the box itself. As you guys can see, it says Osmo Mobile 3 Combo. It has the tripod, or if you would say the vlogging stick, with a phone that is being held with a family on there, which is kind of cute. Now here we have, we need to download an app on the Google Play. That can be downloaded on the Google Play and the App Store. And if you guys can see, it says that Osmo Mobile 3 and an Osmo carrying case. It comes with an Osmo carrying case as well, and also a Osmo tripod, and a power cable, a storage pouch, and last but not least, a written strap. A wrist strap. That's a wrist strap right there. And here is the back of the box, which is of course the Osmo Mobile 3 combo itself without the phone. And here you can see it comes with a carry pouch and the tripod. And this is actually from DJI. Not a sponsor, by the way. Alright, you can see that how cool the box is. It's kind of like plain white, but these cool pictures of the Osmo Mobile 3, which is kind of cool. Alright, so let's start the unboxing. Alrighty, boys and girls, I'm excited for this video. Now, I've already done like two unboxings. They were both mystery unboxing, but this is not a mystery unboxing. This is the unboxing of the Osmo Mobile 3 combo. Alright, so let's just start the unboxing. Here we go. The tape is removed. Alright, the moment of truth. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at these. This is, I suppose, the carrying case. There's another box here, I suppose. Yes, there is. This is another box. There's a box in a box. Anything else? Nope, empty. Alright, let's put that aside. Now, first, let's start with this. The Osmo carrying case. And I think that's the main tripod selfie stick, or I would like to say. Here is another box that came with it. So there's really not much to do other than open it. So let's go ahead and open it real quick. How does this thing open? It's confusing. Oh, alright, here we go. So we gotta open it from here. Alright, there's some stuff in here, looks like it. Looks like the power cable. Yes, power cable. There's also something else. It's stuck in there. I can't open it. This is hard. You gotta pull the plastic that I can barely reach. Alright, this is something. And last but not least, I suppose, whatever these are. These are anti-slip pads. Nice. Anti-slip pads. Oh, there we go. Finally it came out. Anything else? Nope. It's another empty box. Put that aside as well. So we got like a few we got maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in this box, and let's go ahead and open the first one. By the feeling of this, I suppose this is the tripod, the mini tripod that is given to us. Yeah, it's like a mini tripod where you can put screw your camera or something. It looks like it's adjustable. It's like adjustable here. You can see. Alright, so let me give you a closer look. It might look weird I'm starting off with this, but this is a very important part of the video. So please be careful. Now, the first thing you need to do is download this DJI Mimo app. So to do that, go into your Play Store and search for DJI. Alright, now there are going to be 100 apps for DJI themselves, but you're going to look for the one that says only DJI Mimo. This is the DJI Mimo app, and it's from DJI Technologies Co.Ltd. And it's with the one that has the black icon and it says DJI on it. The other ones might have different colors. So this was kind of easy to pick. So look for this app, go ahead and download it and open it. So as you guys can see, it's open. And let's start the video. Now we talked about all of the accessories that are given to you in the combo pack, including the gimbal. But I want to get more into the gimbal itself and show you the features, the technology, and how it works with the phone. So let's go. Alright, so I showed you on how to download the app, how to connect your phone to the Osmo. Now let's get into the main details on the Osmo Mobile 3, or let me just say the gimbal. Now what you want to do is, of course, press the M button that is being shown on the screen. And the M button is, if I can feel it, right here. It's going to beep. It's kind of like a long beep. And these lights will be turned on, and that means it's on. And yeah, so now let me just go ahead and take this to the middle. Take your phone and actually, let me go back and go ahead and connect again, and I'm pretty sure it's connected. Connected. Good, good, good. Alright. So you want to do the same exact thing. Let's go. Oh my god. Alright, sorry about that. Hey, let's put the phone into the phone holder like so. And it's actually going to look droopy and not really nice. But what you want to do is you're going to press that same M button twice. No, 3 times, sorry. Ta-da! So you can see now, let me go, now press the M button again twice. Alright, now you can see it's actually not straight and you want to fix that. So let's go ahead and fix that real quick. You want to balance it by moving your phone left or right and going ahead and balancing it, and you can see now it's kind of balanced. There you go, it's balanced, or a little tilted, but that's okay. Alright, so now I want you guys to practice this at home. The M button that you have on your screen, make sure you guys press it twice or thrice and learning this. So if you press it twice, 1, 2, it's gonna go from landscape to portrait, and if you press it twice again, from portrait to landscape. Now, press it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It's gonna go to sleep mode or standby mode. 1, 2, 3. It woke up. It's awake now. Good morning, everyone. Alright, so that's the what I want you guys to practice. So that's the M button. And of course, if you hold the M button, there will be 2 beeps and it will turn off. Press the M button. Yeah, see it's droopy, so it's like it's off, completely off. So hold the M button again. A long beep turns back on. You can switch to landscape mode, start recording. Now let's get on with the next segment. Alright, so now I have actually brought you guys closer to the gimbal to show you guys how the buttons are related to the phone. Now, as you guys can see, I have used the tripod to mount it onto the table. Now, what we're going to do first is I'm going to show you the joystick. As you guys can see, this is the joystick, and the battery level is actually okay. It's just this one on the right is blinking, and that means it's actually the third bar is about to die, but there are still 2 bars, which is okay. So the joystick, depending on where you point it at, so if I go up, the phone will go down. Now if I point it down, it's going to go up. If I point it left, it will go right. If I take the joystick to the right, the phone will go left. How cool is that? You can control your phone depending on which direction you are recording, which is actually kind of cool and really futuristic. Now, of course, here it says phone camera direction is this way. Camera's right here, that's perfect. That's what you want. The camera should be this way. Now, of course, I showed you guys the M button that is here. 1, 2, of course, from landscape to portrait. 1, 2, 1, 2 again is portrait to landscape, and 1, 2, 3 is of course sleep mode. And 1, 2, 3 again is good morning, waking up. Alright, so let me just go ahead and point this guy to you guys so you guys can see, alright? Alright, so now you guys can see. I'm going to switch cameras so you can see the camera, which is actually kind of cool. What's up? Hello. And now what you want to do is there's also another recording, but there's actually a recording button that's being shown on the screen. Here, now if you are on this screen, this particular screen, the camera screen, and you press the M button once, it's going to change from photo to video. Press it again from video to photo. Now there are also others that the M button doesn't work with, but it only works for video and photo, which are the most important ones that a photographer uses. So press once, photo, press again, video, which is kind of cool. So if I want to record if I want to take a photo, I can take a photo here, you can see, and I'm going to press the record button that's being shown on the screen. And let me just go ahead and strike a pose. Alright, it took the photo. Now I can also make a video. Hello everybody, how's it going? Alright, so that was like a video. Now what you want to do is to view those, you're going to go into your gallery. As you guys can see, I am in my gallery at the moment. There will be a new camera folder here, and this is where you're going to find your files. This is the first file, as you guys can see, the photo, and this is the second file, the video. There you go. So you can see how cool and futuristic this tutorial that I'm actually showing you of the Osmo Mobile 3 is. I showed you guys the basics of the buttons, the joystick, the record, and as well as the M button. Now there's also a hidden button that you guys cannot see, but if I turn the gimbal to the other side, and if I show you here, there's actually a trigger, which is kind of cool. So if I showed you guys the trigger. So now if I am in portrait mode, as you guys can see, I want to record my face. And you guys can see my face is right there. Now press the trigger. No, focus on me, not the camera. So you can see now that it's focusing on the camera, which I don't want that. Let me just go ahead and press the trigger again so it unfocuses, and I'm going to press it here. Alright, now it's recording my face. Well, not recording, but it's focused on my face. Now you can see wherever I move, the phone or the gimbal will also move. So if I move here, the gimbal will move. If I move here, the gimbal will also move. And sometimes, because the camera was in the way and couldn't see my face, it got lost. Now there's also another feature called hand gestures. If you turn that on, you can start recording by only, let me go into my photo here, no, my video. Now you can start recording by only doing a hand gesture. So I'll turn it back on. Alright, so if I do this, as you guys can see, 3, 2, 1, and it's recording. And of course, it lost me because I went a little too fast. But that's okay. So let's try that again. That was actually kind of a failure. Let's try that again. Alright, so what you want to do is do a hand gesture like this. Hello? Yeah, there you go. 3, 2, 1. And it's recording. What's up? Alright, let's turn that off. And like I said, go into your gallery. Go into your gallery. And you're going to find your photos here in a new camera folder. As guys can see, these are the new photos that were created, and that's how the DJI Mimo app can work using the phone. Why do I keep saying Mimo? It's an app. Yeah, the app plus the gimbal and its buttons together, combined with the phone. It's so awesome. It's so cool. Of course, now that we are back to the menu, I'm going to change back to portrait mode, and yep, that's the futuristic Mobile 3, and I'm going to end the video here. Alright, that's it for this video of the most futuristic selfie stick that I have ever seen in my entire life, the Osmo Mobile 3, and there will be an Osmo Mobile 4 coming out, but for now I have the Osmo Mobile 3 with me. So make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button, and give this video a like, which I already said, smash the like button. Comment down below if this video was helpful for you. If you have an Osmo Mobile 3, go ahead, like the video. Yeah, I said it like 3 times already. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!